Here we're going to look at giving a little bit of flavour to our quiz, and we're going to introduce or include a background image. So we're going to make this bit a little bit more exciting. So the way that we do that is we go up here to theme, and we press theme, and we've got all sorts of pre-built backgrounds already. So I just click on any one of these and automatically you can see that this is populated in the background. So I just click on any one and I can choose whichever one I think is right for me. So you've got these pre-populated background themes. You've also got a different number of colorways that you could choose. So you can see I've selected purple and it's gone up to purple there, green, and you've seen a slight background there as well. So you've got all sorts of different things you can do in order to create a little bit more vibrancy with your quiz. Now what I wanted to show you was if you wanted to bespoke that, if you want to do it yourself, then you can go onto the customize theme here, press on that cross, and you've got two options. Now the first one that you might want to look at is to go on to this one here, customizer. Now the hex refers to the color code. So if you know the particular code of the color that you want to choose, you write in that code there and that will generate that color theme for you, that colorway. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to go to custom or upload an image. So I click on that, and I've already been playing around with this, but if I was to get rid of that just for demonstration purposes, then you've got your Bing search, and I would put in Olympic flag because my theme is about the Olympics. I press search there and it brings up that brilliant image, exactly what I want. So I select that, go to add, and then just look what happens over here when I press add. Pretty much straight away it gives me that theme behind the quiz, which is great, and that looks exactly the same. If I go up to preview, you can see there that looks really, that sets the tone, doesn't it? It sets the scene of what we're trying to achieve with our quiz. So that's just another thing that you can do, just give it a little bit more spice, just liven up your quiz.